Hello, everyone. Nice to have you here. I am very happy to welcome Iliane Tim from the Institute of Complementary and Integrative Medicine in Bern, the capital of Switzerland. And the capital of Switzerland is about 40 kilometers from the Alps, our beloved mountains, and it's a huge and dedicated team. And Iliane is one scientist doing research in this team. And I say hello and thank you to Ursula Wolf, the director of this team. Thank you, Ursula. It's so great to work with you. So it's an honor to me to welcome Iliane, who has done a research on our cancer project, which we offered last autumn. We did not just say, we want to do something for cancer. No, we have been working for 4 years already on our platform, working with health programs before we really went into it, knowing that it's just a teaser now. You cannot just bring something and now we have something for cancer. Cancer is such a deep question. It is connected to so deep questions. You cannot just say, and here I have something for it. Yeah, everybody who has cancer knows it is a journey. And so we dared to make this step. And we're so grateful that so many people came, helped us building it up. And it's so wonderful to hear that even the first attempt brought results. Eurythmy is not only movement, but you do movement in a way that it means something to you, and this it means something to you then makes it strong and effective for also your life, not life energy, but also the way of how you look at your life, which then again affects how you can move forward. On our sub-platform ABSR International, we now offer this new research project with the University of Bern. And it's called Stress Research Project because there's a specific sequence of exercises which we use, Steiner has given for stress. And when you discover that stress, trauma, and cancer, they have a certain common core. And you can work on this core with these exercises. And this gave us the idea that we could work also on cancer with these exercises. So you will find many groups in many languages for stress release, for the elderly, for working mothers, we have a men's group, we have for teachers, for business people, for people suffering from trauma, in different ways. And we will offer a course overcoming cancer-related exhaustion. That's what we were speaking about here. That's the follow-up project. And there you find information. And if you're interested, you can here sign up for the course. And participation is free of charge. Please only register if you had cancer during the last 5 years. And if you want to take part in the research. And those who do not have cancer, you have seen there are so many opportunities. If you are interested to take one of the courses, just go to ABSR International, scroll down, and you will be surprised in how many languages we now offer these courses, for general stress, for business, for teachers, for trauma, and for cancer-related exhaustion. And the hope now is, and all these courses will be researched by Iliane. So when we now do this cancer-related fatigue research project, which is part of the whole project, it will allow us to compare it to the results of last year, and it will allow us to compare it to the results of other people who do not suffer from cancer. And that makes it so interesting. And I'm so grateful to Eliane and Ursula Wolf that they really, what can I say, it's support. They are just really taking it up, this huge amount of work. And I invite everybody, come along, bring your friends along, join the project. Eliane, if I'm right, people get one questionnaire when the course starts. They will get one questionnaire. You just get a link to the questionnaire in the middle of the course. You get the same questionnaire at the end of the course. And then 8 weeks later, you will also get the questionnaire, because we want to know if the effect lasts, if the profit, what you get from this course, will be for your life. They are not difficult to fill in. So you just fill in how you feel without much thinking. Just how it is at the moment. They are absolutely anonymous. Filling in will take maybe 15 minutes, should maybe less, yeah, depending on how quick you dare to fill it in. And what is important, that because they are anonymous, you must fill in a sort of code you invent yourself, and every time enter it again 4 times, that we know these questionnaires are from the same persons. When you decide this course is not the right thing for me, then it is perfectly okay. But then we will ask you to, instead of continuing filling in the questionnaires, to fill out, we call it dropout questionnaire, that we know why you stopped. Perhaps you had suddenly to undergo treatment and could not continue. Or you said, it's not the right thing for me. And then we know why somebody stops, and then the results of the other people are of much higher value, as if we say, okay, 1/3 of the people stopped and we don't know why. Yeah, then it's much more difficult to interpret the results which we receive from the other questions. Eliane stays back to have this scientific point of view on it. And at the same time, she has put such a lot of love in designing everything, and she's so willing to support the people who fill in the questionnaires. So I know many people ask, oh, how can I fill it in? Can I make a pause in between? And Eliane is always so kind to answer these questions, help people to fill in the questionnaires. So she is detached and completely in it with her heart and connected with us.
期待跟大家一起见面，请大家多多宣传，感恩感谢。Okay, good. Thank you, Theodore.
Yeah. So I think we are a wonderful team, and to this team, all the audience belongs to it. So everybody who came, and you are our supporters. Let's spread the word. Come and support the project. It's great to have you here. Eliane, it's great to have you here. Ursula, it's so great to have you in the background. And also Mika and Esther have found supporters in your country. Thanks all of you so much, and see you again. Bye-bye.